What if I told you there's one tiny, powerful food that can help you recover faster, ease those stiff joints, and keep you active well into your golden years? Most men overlook it completely, even though it could be the missing piece to staying mobile and pain-free after 60. And chances are, it's not what you think. We're talking about hemp seeds. Now, before you wonder, yes, they're perfectly legal, completely safe, and they won't make you feel anything except better. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, perfectly suited for the needs of seniors, especially when it comes to rebuilding muscle, calming inflammation, and maintaining steady energy. Today, we're going to explore why hemp seeds are a true superfood for men over 60, and how they can directly support your strength, mobility, and overall vitality. And the best part? It all comes down to a few powerful compounds inside these tiny seeds that work almost like magic for the aging body. As we move past 60, our bodies naturally begin losing muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. That's why recovery after a walk, a game of golf, or even simple yard work can start feeling slower. But this is where hemp seeds truly shine. They're what nutrition experts call a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids that the body can't make on its own. Among these are branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs, the building blocks that muscles need to repair and rebuild after any activity. Think of hemp seeds as nature's repair kit for aging muscles. Just a few tablespoons each day can help your body recover faster and maintain the strength you need to stay active and independent. Now here's where it gets even more interesting: the perfect omega balance. You've probably heard about omega-3 and omega-6 fats. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory, while too many omega-6s can cause inflammation. The problem is, most modern diets are loaded with omega-6s and seriously lacking in omega-3s. That imbalance fuels chronic inflammation, one of the biggest culprits behind joint pain, stiffness, and fatigue. Hemp seeds are unique because they contain both of these essential fats in an ideal 3-to-1 ratio, the exact balance your body needs to fight inflammation naturally. This helps reduce those nagging aches, ease stiffness, and make your movements smoother, almost like oiling a rusty hinge that suddenly starts working freely again. But there's another bonus that many people overlook: digestion. Hemp seeds are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, which together help your digestive system work efficiently. This keeps you regular and allows your body to absorb more nutrients from the food you eat. Better digestion means your body can actually use the vitamins, minerals, and proteins you're feeding it, turning every meal into real, lasting energy you can feel throughout the day. And here's the best part: it's incredibly simple to add hemp seeds to your daily routine. You don't need to cook or prepare anything complicated. Just sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons of shelled hemp seeds, also called hemp hearts, over your oatmeal, yogurt, or cereal in the morning. Blend them into a smoothie, toss them on top of a salad, or mix them into burger patties or meatloaf. They have a mild, nutty flavor that blends perfectly with almost anything you eat. Small changes like this can make a surprisingly big difference in how you feel and move. Now, I'm curious, have you ever tried hemp seeds before? If you have, share your favorite way to use them in the comments below. Your simple tip might just help another man move without pain again. For a small daily habit, this one packs a powerful punch. Hemp seeds can help rebuild muscle, calm inflammation, and keep your digestion running smoothly. Imagine waking up with less stiffness, moving more freely, and feeling stronger every single day, all from adding one small seed to your meals. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and share it with a friend who could use this advice. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Truths for more simple, science-backed health tips for men over 60. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves, gentlemen.